Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get voice chat on Roblox Mobile with email. First, ensure your Roblox account is linked to a verified email address, a fundamental step for security and communication. You also need to confirm that you are at least 13 years old, as this is a strict requirement for accessing the voice chat feature. This initial setup establishes the necessary foundation for enabling this interactive communication option. To verify your email, begin by opening the Roblox app on your mobile device and tapping on the three dots icon to access the menu. From there, select Settings and then Account Info. Enter your email address if you haven't already, then check your inbox for a verification email from Roblox. Clicking the link inside that email will securely verify your address, completing this crucial second step. After your email is verified, return to your account settings and select Privacy. You will find an option there to verify my age. This process involves a secure third-party service, so have a government-issued photo identification ready, such as a driver's license or passport. Follow the clear instructions, taking photos of your ID and yourself as prompted, to securely confirm your age. With your age now verified, revisit the privacy section within your Roblox settings. You should now see a new toggle option clearly labeled, Enable Voice Chat. Simply tap this toggle to switch it to the on position, activating the feature. For the changes to fully integrate and become active, it is often helpful to completely close and then reopen your Roblox application on your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.